Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Cancer, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, Cancers. We are picking few cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Cancers, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So let's see what are these cards first. We have Eight of Cups in reverse, Judgment and the Chariot in reverse. So in your situation today, guys, Cancers, it may be in your work or it may be in your relationship. So you are in some kind of confusion, doubts. There may be some misunderstandings in this love with this person. So you do not have that clarity, guys, in your life today. And you're facing a lot of situations. You are in a lot of you have been in a lot of troublesome situations. You have a lot of experience. You have faced many trials and you have sacrificed a lot. And today you're in your situation, guys, you have that acceptance in your heart. So however your situation is going, you see things with clarity. Certain things may go right and certain things may go wrong. So no matter what your situation is, you are having that harmony and balance in your life today, guys, Cancers. So this person, sometimes they may you both may have a good understanding and there is a great show of intimacy and love in your relationship. You love that, but sometimes you both have a lot of arguments and stressful times together and you both do not like each other. You don't even speak to each other. So even those things, you have that acceptance today, guys, because you have a clarity in your heart today, something that is making you see things with a different perspective. And that may be the reason your situation is resolving, Cancers. So there may be troubles in your love or there may be troubles in your work. But whatever it is, you are going to see a great happiness and success today, guys. And you are seeing things falling into place bit by bit. Maybe you are having a beautiful understanding with this person and you are celebrating this love. Or maybe in your work, you have landed some new opportunities or offers and things are going in a very positive way for you all. So some kind of change is what is happening in your life today, guys. A great transformation or a breakthrough. So that is what is leading you towards happiness, success and prosperity in your life today, guys, Cancers. And that is the reading for you all today, Cancers. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have 3 cards here and 3 crystals, and it is going to be like a pick a card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, choose with these crystals or the cards, whatever comes to you first. So that card may answer your questions or clear your doubts, guys. So I will start the reading with this card. This is your first card, this is your second card and this is your third card. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence, guys. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. So for those who chose this card, the first card, guys, and this crystal. Let's see what it is. We have Archangel Rahul. So it is an angel card here, guys. It just means that angels are here guiding us today. And maybe in your life today, for those who chose this card, you feel that you have been unfairly treated. Someone has wronged you in some ways, and it is really difficult for you to maintain that harmony and balance. So, however, you are trying to console yourself, let go of all that hurt. You feel really hurt and you're so much emotionally disturbed because of the way they treated you, guys. And maybe for some of you, you may also be involved in some kind of a lawsuit. So some legal matters are also happening today in your life. But you need not worry, guys. This angel card is a guidance for y'all. So, and the guidance is clarity of thought, and you will feel harmony in your self, guys. You will have that balanced nature. You will again have that. Maybe today you are quite emotional. Maybe you are crying. You are very much disturbed. But all that is going to resolve for you all, guys. So that is the energy with this card, and this angel card is the guidance for you all. So all your emotional disturbances, and maybe if there is some kind of a lawsuit, or if you want clarity of thought, that is what is happening today in your life today, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So what is the second card and the second crystal? For those who chose this second crystal and this card, so let's see what it is. We have Celestite. So this crystal spirit's guidance for us today is that, guys, maybe angels or that higher power or God, whatever we call it, that is helping us by whispering to us, showing us signs through people. It may be strangers or someone you barely know. So you are facing some specific challenges in your relationship, guys, and these angels are dedicated to be your friend, healer, and will do anything they can to connect you to people with gifts for you. So they are going to help you open your eyes, see the truth, and guide you in the right way, guys. So you may have people telling you some words, and that may point you, or that may give you clarity in certain things, but you need to be very attentive, guys, because angels are here guiding you. And with a simple prayer, with our honest intention to listen to them, we can invoke their blessings today, the angels' blessings in your situation. So if you are facing any challenges in your relationship, this angel spirit is guiding you to come out of that difficulty, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this second card. So let's see what is the third card. For those who chose this crystal and this card, we have chop wood. So with this card, guys, the energy is that maybe in our relationship today, nothing is more important than those simpler day-to-day activities that we do together, guys. So sometimes not everything has to be big. We may not be achieving some big things today. And we need to understand that relationships and friendships often go through lulls, and everyday tasks are the ones that is going to create a center of awareness, and that is what is perfect for the time right now. So you need to what is a don't go for huge decisions or big things right now. You just have to go for the simpler, smaller things like holding hands, reading a book together, sharing a meal, just being with this other person, spending time with them. So that is going to work in a magical way in this relationship. And just being present is going to change the way things are between you both, guys. So everything is going all right. You need to understand that, and just spending time with them is going to resolve many difficulties in this relationship for you guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. I hope this reading resonates, guys. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.